Hello everyone, happy Friday. I hope you have a good weekend. I have the new episode and today we have the one and only Kevin O'Sullivan. Hi Kevin, how you doing? Please introduce yourself.
How are you? I'm Kevin O'Sullivan, President of Advantage Components.
It's great to have you here. But tell us how all of these ACI world started.
Well, it started 43 years ago when I got in the industry. I've been in the industry for a long time. Began selling electronic assembly equipment used on the floor to this day. Wire strippers, cutters, test equipment, you name it, we sold it. Then I went to work for a harness and cable assembly manufacturer that primarily dealt in marine electronics, and did that for quite a few years. And we decided, my business partner and I, back in 1997, to start our own company. And 27 years later, here we are.
Well, that's quite a story, huh? I have a couple questions for you, and I'm pretty sure everyone is intrigued. All right, the first one would be, why is wire size significant in connector selection, and how does it relate to the current rating and mechanical strength of connectors?
But when you're choosing a connector system, it's either power or signal, and you certainly want to match up the wire gauge, voltage carrying capacity, and whether the application's indoor or outdoor, with the specific connector that you designed in. There's quite a few out there, quite a variety of connector systems on the market, and you want to match up the system that suits your application, whether it's power or signal oriented.
Well, thanks for that explanation, Kevin. Now, let's move forward to the next question. Why is choosing the right electrical connector so crucial for the customer's design?
Depending on the application, a lot of engineers do a really good job choosing the right connector system. We're here to help if they don't, but it is crucial depending on the whether it's an outdoor application, whether it's a signal current or a power application. It's critical to choose the right connector with the proper seals, proper locking features.
I see.
For your design, for your overall design.
All right, thanks, Kevin. Now, moving to the core of this interview, the first one would be, how can appropriate wire connectors help in modularization?
It would help to modularize the connectors if you have field installable repair issues. You want to choose a connector system that is easily repaired, has hand tools available to be able to fix the connector system, the harness, whether you're out in the field or even warranty issues.
All right, now moving to the second part of that question, I may also have to ask about the improved manufacturability of a wire harness.
Well, you want to probably choose a connector system in terms of manufacturability, that probably a connector system that had terminals on reels where you can automate it, and a connector system that doesn't have a whole lot of piece parts associated with it, so you can minimize the amount of steps to put the product together.
We really appreciate that feedback, Kevin. Now, why is wire mating characteristics so important in connector selection? And I also have to ask, what's the difference between the positive and passive locking systems?
Choosing the right connector system is key. If you have a high vibration issue in your product, there's going to be a lot of movement. You want to choose a connector system that has locking features, positively locking the connector system together. And in terms of the passive locking system, I could probably think of for instance, a trailer connector does not have locking features. It's more of an interference fit, but yet it's very easy to unplug when needed.
All right, last but not least, considering that there are hundreds of options of connectors, has ACI always been able to match the customer's necessities and requirements regarding a wire harness application?
Yeah, the engineering departments for our customers usually do a great job of choosing the right connector systems if they need help. We've got quite a few engineers here on staff that will help them, walk them through the process and pick a connector system that matches their application, indoor, outdoor, signal, power. And if we'll take it a step further, if they want enhanced features on any of these connector systems, we can always use our custom molding capabilities to add to the connector system, especially in tough environments. We actually have a patent on a connector system for rough environments to be able to clock a connector at various degrees and point it in the right directions of their control box, for instance. So yeah, to answer your question, yes, we can make a lot of suggestions for our customers.
And we really appreciate that, Kevin. I would say that ACI is a synonym of engineering quality connections. So thank you so much again. Next week we have a surprise, another guest. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you.